Good day, I'm Architect Mikey, and we are in the COF project in CCF East Ortigas, and we are now in the warehouse. What we have over here are our computers, and guess what? How old they are? They are about 17 years old. So these are first gen i3 computers. So we had this since 2008 when we opened our first headquarters for our construction. Although most of our operations that time were IT, about half construction, half IT. For those who have been following us, you know that we've started as an IT company. So it's actually IT Lag Park Cafe. So that's ITC. So we don't do cafes anymore, even if we had 43 branches. It's now ITC, simply ITC. So if somebody asks what's ITC, we just change it to IT plus construction, and then it became IoT plus construction back in around 2018 when we were one of the first to open an IoT company here, or smart automation company. And right now we do automations only for our own projects, and we're avoiding auxiliary and automation projects for other projects that we don't do. That means that we need to do the renovation, the building, the fit out, so that we'll do those auxiliary works. Anyway, so here is our warehouse. You can look around. It's not well kept yet, so may mapapagalitan mamaya. This is behind the scenes, right? So I'll show you yung mga problema. Like this one should be fixed on the wall or nakahiga so that it won't fall down, kasi when it falls down, pwedeng matamaan yung dulo, could be damaged, and it could cause leakage or even accident. So, ayan, tuturuan natin yung safety officer dyan. I-remind natin. And what else do we have here? Some of our stocks here, most are already outside. They're being installed. So, once we're done, we're gonna put out some of this. We have some boards here, pero it's right now used as like a holding area for our staff. This is where they change clothes. Pagdating nit, mabango yan, naka-perfume yung mga tao natin. And then when you come here to change to their uniforms, work clothes, and then dito yan, papabango ulit yan bago lumabas, bago mag-commute. But right now, we have a service for our workers that stay in our barracks nearby. It's 30 minutes away, so hatid sundo sila. Talo pa si Fam. And what else do we have here? We have water here, so that's very important to keep them hydrated. Cold, usually, we don't serve hot right now, but maybe soon, we'll serve coffee for all of them. And then it should be well lit. And once we have this set up, we have to lock the doors and make sure that nobody just comes in and out. So that's it for our warehouse. If you've seen our other warehouse, it's usually one of the rooms that we will do last, so that we don't need to make board ups and walls, and at the same time it won't take up space. So another warehouse will take up another space, so why not use this one instead? All right, see you soon.